In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an established store owner or just starting out, adding new products to your Shopify store is a critical task that can be done quickly and efficiently. So, let's get started and break it down step by step. First, you want to navigate to Shopify by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Shopify login page. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you won't be able to add a product without proper access. This is the central hub where you manage your store and all of its operations. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen and find the sidebar. You'll see a variety of options there, but for this task, click on Products. This is where you'll manage all the items you have for sale, organize them, and add new ones. Now go ahead and click the Add Product button. This is your gateway to creating a new listing on your store. Once you click that button, you'll be presented with a form for entering all the necessary product details to ensure your customers have the information they need. The first thing you'll need to enter is the product's title. Make sure the title is clear and concise, keeping your customer in mind to help them easily find and comprehend what you're offering. Next, move on to the product description. This is your chance to get creative and detailed. Write a compelling description that covers important features and benefits, answering potential questions your customers might have. You'll also want to upload media to showcase your product. This can include high-quality images, videos, or even 3D models if applicable. Remember, visuals are key to catching a customer's eye, so make sure they are clear and reflective of the product's quality. Pricing is next on our list. Enter the product's price and decide if you'll be charging taxes on it. This is straightforward but crucial for sales transactions. After pricing comes inventory management. Here, you'll input a stock keeping unit, or SKU, maybe a barcode too, track how much quantity you have, and decide if you'll allow customers to purchase items even when they're out of stock. Then there's shipping. You'll need to specify the product's weight and whether it requires shipping. Accurate weight helps ensure you're charging the right shipping fee. Finally, if your product comes in different variations like size or color, add those variants to give customers options. Once you've filled out all these details, there's only one thing left to do. Click the Save button. With that, the product is now part of your store's offerings, ready for customers to view and purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new item to your Shopify store in a matter of minutes. Keep practicing, and this process will become second nature in no time. Remember, a well-curated store is a successful store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.